Hi YouTube, I'm with Net Impact Strategies, and we specialize in providing practical methodologies and IT solutions to help organizations work more effectively. To learn more about us after the video, please visit the website provided in the video description box. In today's Net Impact Insight series, we will be going over Primavera P6 Enterprise Project Portfolio Management, or P6 EPPM, an Oracle product that is one of the leading tools in the enterprise project portfolio management space. P6 provides a variety of advantages over traditional desktop project management tools, such as the ability to access anywhere via web browser and the ability for multiple projects with dependencies to one another to interact in the same space. In addition, P6 was designed around core project management concepts consistent with PMBOK, providing a framework of familiarity for all PMPs. However, the functionality of P6 does not stop once you open the box. P6 has a number of options to extend its capabilities through the use of an extended database schema for reporting, pre-configured application bridges, in addition to a robust set of web service APIs which can be utilized to create completely custom solutions for interacting with P6. Let's begin by looking at reporting. For this presentation, we'll be focusing on using Oracle BI Publisher, as this is the tool that allows access to reports from within P6. But almost any reporting software that can connect to a database will work. There are a number of predefined reports for P6 that will come with your installation of Oracle BI Publisher. However, in addition, you can expand on this library by creating custom reports utilizing the extended schema. Using the custom reporting database gives you the ability to aggregate and manipulate data in ways that are not possible within the native P6 functionality. The reporting database is an additional schema that is created in the current instance, giving the end user a set of tables designed with query writing in mind, making for a much less painful experience when trying to pull information for a report. The fields and tables available within the extended schema are laid out in detail at the following URL provided by Oracle, which is also available in the video description box. Once in BI Publisher, all reports first start with a data model. A data model consists of everything required for your report. Most data models are just a data set from a SQL query, possibly a list of values, and any parameters that will be passed in from the report. Understanding how to write SQL queries will certainly make one's life easier. However, for those who aren't comfortable with SQL, you can still create queries using the Query Builder in BI Publisher. Once you have a data model that is producing the information you want, the next step is to design the report template to display your information. The report can be exported to a wide variety of formats, including but not limited to PDF, XML, and Excel. Once your report is complete, to access from the Reports module within P6, it's merely a matter of moving both the data model and the report into the appropriate folder under P6 Reports. The next portion of this presentation will focus on pre-existing interfaces for other applications that allow for the movement of data between P6 and the target system. More specifically, we'll be focusing on the bridge for Oracle Primavera Portfolio Management, or OPPM. While this is an interface that is built for OPPM, at its core, it is still utilizing the web service APIs of P6. The bridge allows for the end user to create a mapping between existing objects in both P6 and OPPM, and both push and pull information across the two systems. This approach neatly dovetails the applications that were designed for different aspects of management to share information without trying to make either one perform a task it's not ideally suited for. The P6 Web Services APIs gives programmers the ability to interface with P6 directly behind the scenes. The web services are broken out into 4 categories: business object-based services, job services, spread services, and import and export services. The business object-based services gives programmers access to the create, read, update, and delete operations. This allows for an external application to directly modify data within the system. The job service allows for initiation and processing of specialized jobs. The spread service gives access to read time phase data relating to units and rates as of the last summarization. Finally, we have the import and export services, giving the ability to push and pull data directly from the system. Utilizing open standards such as SOAP, XML, and WSDL, programmers can create any number of custom applications that can range from a simple command line program that import and export data to much more complicated programs that can be tailored to meet the end user's individual needs. Armed with the tools we've discussed today, you'll be better equipped to address the needs of your organization, from reporting to application interfacing, just by expanding on P6. For more on P6 and other topics, please check out the rest of our YouTube channel by clicking on the link below or subscribing. Thanks for watching.